woke up to the sound of the morning light, birds singing songs that feel just right. Barefoot on the grass, I take it slow, breathing in the peace that nature shows. Sun peeks through the whispering trees, dancing leaves carried by the breeze. I walk a trail where wildflowers bloom, their colors chase away my gloom. I love my journey in nature, every step feels like a prayer. Mountains high and rivers low teach me more than I could know. Under skies so wide and free, this world feels just right for me. With every breath I start anew. Nature, I'm in love with you. Still and shy, clouds like stories drifting by, rocks and roots beneath my feet. Every heartbeat finds its beat. No clock ticking, no rush in time, just me and this earth so pure, sublime. Even storms that roll and roar make me feel I'm living more. I love my journey. Every breeze that passes through nature, I'm in love with you. And when I'm lost, I look to the trees, they stand tall through centuries. The river flows without regret, reminds me not to forget. The moonlight paints the world so kind, in nature's arms I clear my mind. I am small, but I belong, part of this eternal song. I love my journey in nature, every moment feels so true.